So welkom op die trein julle. Welcome on the train. All the members, all the honorable members. Thank you to all the embarkees who have joined my plea and my plan to get 100 on the train by my birthday. You'll see there's quite a few, I call them now like Julius calls them, honorable members on the train who has now said, nou Aldi will help you build this dream. Ons sit ons chommies op, ons sit ons dogters op, ons sit ons vriendinne op, ons ry nou allemaal saam trein. Thank you to the honorary members of this Embark journey, of this membership. And as we are recording, Reneke and I now have done the final segment of the power journey, and it's so interesting how I'm being tested. Always being tested. Hey, het is die lewe so toetsie. So number 23 is called Motiva, motivation, motivate, en ek gaan julle al die storieetjies vertel, but I want you to look back on the train, especially all of you embarkees that have embarked with me since July, and I always go through it. Renette sal vir ons die map ook post, but I want you to, at this point in the membership, just become quiet and sit and integrate what we have learned so far. Because I am guided every month as to what oil to put on the train. Julle sal sien, ons gaan nie numerologies nie. On my podcast that I have with my friend Fransjo van Aswegen, he forces my brain to go journey 1, journey 2, journey 3, en ons praat so alle embarks deur. Okay, that's the podcast. But on the membership, I get guided, I receive guidance as to what elixir to put on the train and what elixir to put out there for all of us. Because as I'm writing my PhD and as I'm finishing my thesis, the journey starts to unfold and I write it as we embark. So almal van julle help my eintlik om my droom om 'n Dollos dokter te word, nee, Prof Dollos te word. Julle help my almal in die droom. So baie dankie. So ons praat nou Motiva, ons praat nommer 23. And integrating what we've learned is going to help you to cope with this month's journey. Okay. Let's just have a quick talk about Motiva and the journey. So Motiva number 23 has been created to help you to hold on to and remain motivated. So motivation, and the opposite of motivate is demotivate, hopeless, procrastinating, kan nie meer nie koppel my onderbroek skaaf. This is remaining motivated, remaining committed, remaining dedicated, vasttrap, deurdruk, klim die berg. So ons gaan nou daar kom. But in order for us to embrace Motiva to the fullest, because Motiva is now, ons gaan die berg klim, dis Motiva. And in order for us to embrace Motiva, I want all of you to go and find all of the processing we've done since last year. We first did burnout. So all of you have been empowered to understand the burnout journey. And if there's any embarkee who wishes to do another journey or wants me to put them on one of the other trains that you've maybe missed, talk to me. If you have got guts to do 2 trains at one, you're very welcome and I will put you on. Okay. But we started with Enliven number 5, Celine Dion, I'm Alive. Ons het oor byniere gepraat. How do I prevent burnout? How do I look after my body when I go through burnout? What is burnout? How do I prevent it? Van nummer 5 af het ons gegaan na nummer 17, toe nee Renetjie. And 17 was the freedom journey. And that journey was all about, how do I free myself from the constraints of what other people think of me? How do I free myself from my fears? How do I free myself from parasitic tendencies? Daar het julle vir Kiki ontmoet. Julle gaan nou 'n ander enetjie ontmoet. After freedom, we went and we did number 9. That was kind. That was the inner child, the child within us, the children within us we need to heal, connecting to our children, healing our children inside of us. After number 9, we went on to the Femwell journey. And then we learned all about being a woman and the seasons of a woman's life. And as a woman, how you have to navigate yourself, dat jou clutch nie glad jy jou periods kry nie, en wat is perimenopause, ons het dit gedoen. And then after that journey, we went on the number 8 journey, which was esteem. Feeling good about myself, accepting myself as I am. How do I look after myself? How do I have esteem, and how do I hold myself in high regard? And after esteem, we did the deep calm journey, which was number 22, which is all about cortisol, putting oil in your lamp. How do I sleep? How important sleep is. Feeding my brain properly, taking time to rest. Die cortisol journey lê my baie na in die hart, and it works very well for your kindertjies en so aan. And then after 22, we then went on the purge journey. So toe het ons gedetox. Ons het gerelease. Ons was rehab toe. Ons het gaan kyk wat maak ons siek. Wat is die type toxins? What type of toxins are there? And then after the purge journey, we then went on to the power journey, which was how do I release aggression? What do I do when I get angry? How do I use my anger in an elegant way? How can I teach my children to deal with their anger? It's okay to be angry and all of that. So as we now integrate everything that we've learned on the membership, on the train for the last few months, we now need to go and say, okay, now I need motivation. I need to stay motivated. I need to stay committed to whatever I am building in my life. I need to release feelings of hopelessness, moedeloosheid, despair. How do I do that? And that's why I always take the first video to talk us all through the journey of the train and where we've been and how far we've come. So ek hoop julle geniet hierdie enetjie. Hou vas. Hy's anders. Hy's fantasties. And let's see where it takes us. Enjoy the journey.